Okay, welcome to the next blended tutorial. So today we're going to be making a bowl. So it's not too dissimilar from the plate that we previously made. If you guys want to go to that tutorial, it's on my channel and possibly in the playlist that you're currently watching. Um, so it's very similar to a cup. It's like we're going like cup bowl kind of melding kind of thing. I don't know. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and delete the default cube. You want to make sure that you're in the cycles engine because the tutorials, of course, are all in cycles. So we'll go to add, we'll go to mesh, and then we'll go to circle. You're going to want to zoom in or maybe make your circle a little bit bigger. So edit mode. So we have all of the points selected right now. Press S to scale so that we can work with a bigger object so that you can see what you're doing better. And what we want to do is we want to press F for fill. We're going to go E for extrude, and we're just going to bring up the second face. S for scale to go outwards again. E for extrude. S for scale. And then we're just going to go E, S, E, S. And I will show you from the side view right here what we're doing. So you just want to you just want to go, you know what a bowl looks like, I guess. So you just want to go from very small at the bottom to quite large, and then we're going to come in and we'll do the inside. So select this face again. We go E for extrude, and then you're going S for scale, which I'm on S for scale. E for extrude, S for scale, and we're just going to work our way up. It's that simple. Make sure that you're scaling all the way around, you're not just on one vertices. E for extrude, S for scale, and as we get closer to the top, we're just going to get steeper and steeper. That's all we need to do. And we get a little bit closer. The more vertices that you have and the more faces that you have, the smoother your object will be. But if you do subdivide, the more random access memory your project may take up. So it makes your computer a little bit slower, but we'll come to that bridge when we get to it. So we're just going to go up a little bit more and up one more, and I think that will do. For a basic bowl shape, it's a bit of a tall bowl. I'm just going to pull that down a little bit, and then we're going to go